Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions, I take that as well. Stay tuned till the end of the video and I will give you more information. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see what's happening in this week for you. Let's start with your career. You've got the Astronomer and the Eight of Suns. I do see that you are a person who's able to balance your life really well. Like you can take care of your home and your work very effectively. Your family is happy, your seniors, your co-workers, or your clients and customers are happy. Whether you have a job or a business, you are balancing it very well, and somebody is even applauding you for that. You would be hearing a lot of comments from maybe your friends, family, or your co-workers that wow, the way you handle things is very different. So Gemini, I do feel that you will be getting some sort of appreciation, or you will also be completing some sort of work. Like the deadline will be met, people will be happy with you, and good luck is by your side. So if you're planning to change something in your work, you can do that. It's the right time for you. You planning to switch job, it's the right time. You want to expand your business, it's the right time, because good luck is by your side. Other than that, if you want to remain where you are, this is going to be a good week because you will be showered with appreciations, letters, emails, or just by word of mouth. People will be talking about how well you are able to handle your work and personal life as well. I do see that you will be celebrating something. So it can be the new job or opportunity that has come your way, or that you know that today my boss appreciated me, talked about the good work, or I've got some, an appreciation reward or something like that. You're going to celebrate with your family. Also, if you're a student, you can celebrate your good marks. Probably your results will be out. You will be celebrating that with your friends or family, or you just got into the college of your choice. Some sort of celebration and good luck is your way. And if you're sitting for the exam, this is going to be a good week for you as well. Let's see what's happening in your love life, which looks a little complicated. You've got the Four of Stars and the Two of Suns. Okay. One sign that has come out is Libra. You could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising, not necessary, or it could be in your own birth chart. I do see that you are very stuck in a particular situation. Like some relationship could have ended for you, right? Something in the past, but you're very much stuck. You're still thinking about why did it go wrong, when did it go wrong, or where did it go wrong? All those stupid questions that we think about. So you're thinking about that past person. You're also thinking that uh, we are such good people and people only talk good things about you. Then why did it not work out? Right? And if this is not a past situation, you could be dealing with a person right now and you are having a lot of fights and arguments. Why that? Now, I do see that two very good individuals come together, but once they come together, once they form a team, a partnership, a relationship, it doesn't work. That's because you two are very similar. And I have explained that in my previous videos, if you have watched it, that to maintain a healthy, good relationship, we need a yin and yang energy, which means if one is dominating, the other has to be submissive. If both are dominating, imagine what will happen. Or if both are submissive, imagine what will happen. Now, here, what I see is that two people equally good individually, but when they come together, their ego clash happen. Both are extremely strong, both are hot headed, right? No one wants to compromise. Then, how will this relationship even work? So, if you're asking me, how should I make it work? The advice for you is to compromise. That's the only way out. But then again, you have to ask yourself, for how long can you compromise? Is your partner also able to compromise? Because sometimes you will have to compromise, sometimes they will have to compromise, and then this relationship can work beautifully. But if only one person is compromising, it can be a problem because eventually you're going to get exhausted, right? So ask yourself, are you able to do that, or can you do that for the rest of your life? If the answer is yes, then that's up to you. Good to go. Keep on compromising, and this relationship will be good. But other than that, you have to ask yourself that no, I cannot compromise all the time. so I have to end this relationship, right? So it is a situation which will ask you, propel you to make some important changes in your life and the approach to relationship. If both of you are able to compromise, then I don't see why this relationship will not work, right? So I would say that your career looks good, your studies and that academics look good, but relationship wise you can face trouble. Okay, so if you guys resonated with this reading, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what is your situation. I would love to read and uh, reply to most of you. And to book any kind of reading or ritual or spiritual counseling session, email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And please do not forget to follow me there because I post all such details on a daily basis. Okay, someone is at the door, so take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.